Alright guys, welcome back. Hope everybody's doing good. Here we are back at it. Anybody who's been watching the videos long enough know this time of year comes once a year. We get rid of all of our nasty stuff that can't go through the processor and turn it into beautiful boiler wood, of which I have a few customers that prefer this type of wood over, you know, clean, smaller split wood. So it works out in my favor. And of course on the job is a good old infamous sthil 460. I can't tell you how much, literally thousands of faces this saw has cut. It's my first steel chainsaw. And the one and only splitty on the job, homemade splitter. Started my firewood career 15 years ago, still on the job today because of that good old American made. And it's all because of that zip tie right there. Guys, we got the delcasale backhoe on the job again. Oh, Papa Grizz is out there splitting away on splitty. Shout out to Papa Grizz, being 60 plus years old out here doing this grinding work with me. Always appreciate it, Dad. Well, we're gonna set up a little bit of a sequence again, just like you guys seen in the previous videos, how handy this backhoe is coming in on the firewood lot already. And this isn't even the real line of work of what this machine can do. This is just simple little tasks, but I'm showing you the advantage, guys, of how handy this is already. So thanks again, Tom, big brother. Thank you so much. I love you, man. Unbelievable what this machine has done for me already. So enough of that being said, let's get at it. I'm going to show you guys me putting the chunks in the bucket, dump them in the trailer. I got Big Bob with the forks, grabbing more of these misfit logs that don't run through the processor, chunking them up with the sthil 460, running them through the splitter into the dump trailer. Happy customer. Rinse and repeat, my friends. Let's get at it. And a quick shirt change. Shame on me. Let's represent It's Just Wood. These are my close friends. They are out of Kendall, New York here. It's close to home to me. They've just started their own adventure, my friends, and I would really appreciate you guys giving a shout out to them. It's Just Wood. They have their own Instagram. Make sure you go check it out. Someday we can convince the both of them to open up their own YouTube someday. So we'll see. We'll see. They got to start out somewhere, but big shout out to them. Thank you guys for the shirt. That's what we're going to use today. We're going to get to cutting right at it. And I like that it's orange, like the sthil 460. So let's match the clothing to the saw and let's make some man glitter. Oh, yeah. See how nice that works, my friends, being able to set them logs up on the chunks. I don't want to have to bend over on the ground or have to get in and out of the Bobcat. It's kind of like good old Buck and Billy Ray saying, stand up and buck. Off the load. Doing three-face loads here. I want to make sure this guy gets his order because gets the right measured amount because these are big chunks. I'm trying to do this one-handed. All right, guys, it's all finally loaded up. First load, heading out the door. Oh, many face cord to go. This guy wants 26 face total. Quite a bit of material. This is all my misfit material. It doesn't run through the processor, and as you guys can see, it works out beautiful having the big the delcasale backhoe on the job, putting these loads right into the trailer, dumping them, having Big Bob bring the logs over so I can chunk it up with the 460, and on I go. And big shout out to It's Just Wood again. Thanks, guys, for your shirt. Kept me nice and cool, kept me nice and safe from the man glitter. That's right. And it looks good with having some sawdust on it. Major shout out to them. Make sure you guys go over and check out their Instagram. Anybody who has an Instagram, It's Just Wood. That's their small business that they're starting out with right here in Kendall, New York, right close home to me. So make sure you guys give them support and get them guys going on their adventure, all right? I hear you, buddy. I appreciate it. Man, them are hard to come by. Yeah, beautiful tree. Beautiful shade, too.